In this video, I'm doing a little cleaning after Christmas, so if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I share how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If you like this kind of content, I would love for you to stay and subscribe and become part of the creative family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's go into this video. Now, after the holidays, your oven is always dirty from all the cooking. So my day-to-day is I'm going to spend time to clean my oven because trust me, it is dirty. Now, what I'm going to try is I always use Easy Off Heavy Duty Oven Cleaner. I always use that. Now, the new item I'm going to try is this oven liner. Now, it says that it's for your oven. It could be placed on the bottom of the oven to catch dirt. The mat can be used as a baking sheet. The mat is safe for 500 degrees, and you can trim the mat with scissors to have a custom fit, and it can be used on an electric or a gas oven. So I am going to put the price of this mat on the screen. I ordered it from Walmart online, so you can use it in your oven to help with oven spills. You won't have to clean the bottom of your oven so much. So I'm going to open the oven and let you see my filthy oven. Here is my oven. Let me get you a closer look at the dirt. There's the oven. Yeah, when you have 5 people trying to cook in one oven, you do get spills. So I'm going to spray my Easy Off oven clean on here, and it says to let it sit. So I'm going to let it sit, and then I'll be back to clean the oven. Okay, I've sprayed my oven. And don't forget to raise up that coral. Don't spray it, spray under it. So now I'm going to close my oven and let it go to work. Okay, just a little bit of the heavy duty easy off oven cleaner. I let it sit for about an hour. It says about 20-30 minutes, but I always let it sit for an hour. And it makes it so much easier when you take the door off. The door has these little slits where you can pop up a little thing on the side. Let me get a little closer so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, these little things here, they come out and they hook on the oven door. So if you stick them in, and you'll see that the oven door is easy to just pop off. You can pull the door out and stick it back in. It's easy to take off, so it makes it easier for you to get into your oven. Now the oven is clean. Let me get my light down. Okay, now the oven is clean, as you can see. A little heavy duty easy off oven cleaner and a Brillo pad makes it so much easier to keep it clean. Now I try to clean it every 3 months, 4 months max. I try to wipe it down, make sure it's clean. Remember, don't spray any oven cleaner on that burner. You will mess it up. So now I'm going to put the pad down to help me have not to do this every 3 to 4 months on the stove. Now this is me and you open it up at the same time together. So I'm putting it here. And then the second piece, put it here. Now, that should keep the bottom of the stove clean. So from now on, when I cook, it won't have to be such a big thing to clean it. I'll just take out those pads, wash them in the sink, let them dry, and put them back in. So now my oven is clean. So I'm going to put the door back on to show you how easy it is to put the door back on. Now if you see those silver things there, you stick them back in the hole. Once you do that, here's the clamps I was telling you about here. Push the clamp down on both sides and your door is back on. It makes it so much easier to clean the oven when you take the door off. So, clean oven. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this short video on cleaning my oven after the Christmas, let me know down below. I would love to read your comments. And if you have any questions about anything I did or any questions, anything at all about cleaning the oven, let me know and I'll answer them at the best of my ability. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.